Hello and a very warm welcome. I'm Tavleen Kaur from Funnels, and I'm really excited to do this video. So in this video, I want to tell you that A/B testing module is finally out now and it is available for you to install and start using. So just get set and A/B test. So A/B testing is now available both in upstroke one-click upsells as well as order bumps. And A/B testing basically means putting two or more versions of the same upsell page or of the same order bump so that you can finally understand actually which of those 2 or 3 versions actually convert better. So it is your way of placing your finger on the pulse of your audience and really knowing with a sense of confidence, which of your pages or which of your bumps actually convert better. So there are a whole host of things that you can A/B test, right from pricing to copy to the offer itself to the sequence in which you present the offers, the number of offers that you present before your audience to find out the overall conversion rate of your funnel, and so much more. If you haven't still watched my last video, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and watch it, because it really gives you a context to A/B testing, and it just gives you an idea of what it is. So if you've been thinking that A/B testing is not for me, it's the enterprise level, the advanced level stuff, then it's so not an advanced level stuff. It is totally for you. If you have the A version of your upsell or order bump copy, put into play the B version, because those insights would definitely just blow your mind. So let's just put on our thinking hats and let's get into that mode of an experimenter, of a tester, and let's look at the different things that we can A/B test against each other. So that's what is lined up for this video. Without wasting any time, I'm totally going to get behind the scenes and I'm going to get started. Alright, so here we are. Now this is the back end. So here you've got the experiments tab, which is underneath Funnels. And then of course you have the interface where all your experiments are listed. Now these could be active or inactive experiments, but all of them are listed one below the other. Next up, as you can see, I already have a few experiments set up, but I'm going to show you one from scratch. And what we're going to test is whether a VSL-based page converts better or a text-based. So simply go and add new. And then you're going to go and hit one-click upsells, because that's what you want to test. Then select one funnel. Right, so you're going to then name your experiment. You could just call it like Rockstars at test. And so this is VSL versus text-based, right? And you want to add description, go ahead and add it. Otherwise, it's just optional. And then you go hit create experiment. So great, your experiment has been successfully created. Now here, as you can see, if you just back a little bit and understand the whole interface here, you've got 3 sections: variance, analytics, and settings. Variance is, you've got your A variant here, the version A here, which is the funnel which you just chose, which is your original variant. Now 100% of weight, of traffic is actually assigned to it on a default, which is true. Duplicate variant is what you're going to select next, because it allows you to keep everything same and create a duplicate variant. It is the fastest way to A/B test. Alright, so next up you will configure the traffic, and just hit make equal weights to assign 50% traffic to each. Otherwise you also can edit it and just do it 40-60 or whatever you like. So that's also a possibility here. Then 40% of traffic will go to version A and 60% to version B. But I'm just going to go hit make equal weights and update it. Alright, so the traffic has been updated now, and you have these 2 variants ready. So this is the simple funnel and this is the copy of it. Let's just quickly hit edit. So in the design section, you will see that it's a VSL template is already pre-selected. And now what you can do is that you can remove this template and remove the template, and you can switch it to the product template, right? The product upsell style 1, and that's that. So you're going to import it. Now this template has been imported. So on one hand you have the VSL based template. On the other hand you have the written version of it. So the image and the written version of it. You can go hit customize. So the template opens up in Elementor. So it's completely flexible. Just go ahead and edit it the way you want to. There are no limitations. You also have upstroke widgets, upstroke powered widgets here, so you can use any of them and just edit your template to make it look however you like. So this becomes your text based template, and that's it. Once that's done, you're simply going to go update it, and so it's updated now. And yep, that's that. So your experiment is ready. You've got two versions here. This is the VSL based, the video based. This is the image and text based. And then just ensure that your experiment are active. This is green on both the copy, on both the original variant as well as the copy. And then you're going to go hit start. Alright, so this has now started. Just keep in mind that you will not be able to sort of create, delete or duplicate a variant while the experiment is running. However, you can come and pause it at any time, then come back and restart it, adjust the traffic while it's running, remove a particular variant, so on and so forth. All of that can be done. Then just hit start now and the experiment will begin. Yay! So your experiment has started, you're finally there. And you can go into the analytics section and of course analyze your results. You will find out the clear winner as per your audience. Your customers will tell you whether they like to buy from a video based page or a text and image based page. So there you go. You have all, you have your results you will have your results showing up here once the numbers roll in. Well, here's another interesting thing that you should know. So when your experiment is in the running mode, you can go to analytics, and in the analytics section, you can actually go and hit declare winner. So this allows you to declare your one of your variants as the winner. So let's say that numbers tell you that the first funnel is actually converting better, so which is like the video sales letter based. Well, then you can just simply choose the winner and then click on declare winner. So what this will do is that it will eliminate all the other variants from the test, and the one which you have declared as the winner will go live on the site, and 100% of traffic will be directed to this one. The other variants will no longer be available to the site winners. However, the experiment will always be available for you to access. Just that what will happen is that after one of the winner, once you've declared the winner, this test will be marked as complete. So you will always have it at your disposal. You will always be able to access the experiment, but yes, it will be marked as complete. So that's another wonderful, wonderful feature that we have here, which is declare a winner. Let me show you some other interesting test cases which I have set up. So apart from the VSL versus text based, you can also test the sequence of offers. So sequence basically means the order in which you're presenting your upsells. So well, this is this is one sequence and this is sequence number 2. So here, this is how you're presenting it. That's offer 1 moisturizer, then skin scrubber, and then skin toner. This is the sequence 2, toner, scrubber and moisturizer. So we're trying to see whether if we pitch toner at the beginning or if we pitch moisturizer at the beginning, which of the two sequences will actually convert better. So well, that's our hypothesis. That's our test case over there. Now this one is my absolute favorite. So this is multiple upsells on one page versus one single offer. So what you can do is, let me just show you quickly. Using the multi-product add-on in Upstroke, you can sort of create this page here, which has multiple offers on single page. Let me quickly show it to you. And this is one single offer on one page. So again, let me show you the design aspect of this offer as well. Well, so there you go. So these are two options, two choices. You're offering buyers a choice between two offers, right? Buy 2 at a 15% off or buy 3 at 20% off. And that's the A version, and this is the B version, which is just one single offer, buy 1 at. So well, my intuition says that, this one will convert better because offering a choice is always better than placing just one single offer on the table. But your buyers will decide, whether offering choice works better or just presenting one single offer on the table works better. So you can go ahead and put that to test. So, yep. Another brilliant test case is with order bumps. Now, we've had people coming and telling us that they're having a lot of success when they actually present 2 or more offers, order bumps, on the checkout pages. So they're basically giving people a choice and they can select any one of them or both of them, and the order total gets instantly updated. So what you can do is that you can perform a test here. So you can put you can test 2 or 3 order bumps versus showing just one single bump offer on the checkout page. So let your audience tell you whether, having just one single order bump on the checkout page converts better or having 2 of those does. And who knows, just by running this really simple experiment, your average order value touches the roof. Yep, so there you go. I am super excited to share all these test cases with you. There could be so many others. Your imagination literally is the limit. I would encourage you to go ahead and test out. You can also test one product against the other. So if you would have noticed here, so here you also have the option to delete a product and add a new one. So not just discounts, not just, multiple offers on one page versus more, not just sequence of offers, not just number of offers, but also you can A/B test one product against the other. So all of these hypotheses can be tested. Your imagination literally is the limit. So that's the tool you have, and I am totally giving it away to you so that you can go ahead, put your hypothesis to test, and I'm telling you, every A/B test will bring you a step closer to your buyers. It will help you put a finger on the pulse of your buyers. It will make you somebody who has more knowledge, who can speak with greater confidence about what converts, what doesn't convert. So much so that literally after maybe 1 month or 2 months of conducting A/B tests, you will be ready to write a book about your buyers' psychology. Well, so that's a great tool that you have at your disposal now. Just go ahead and use it. What are you waiting for? That's me, Tavleen, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. More details about A/B testing, how to get it. Please get it from the video. I've put everything in the description below, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.